In Delaware, possession of heroin and any other controlled substance is a misdemeanor. Possession with the intent to distribute it elevates it to an aggravated possession, which may be a felony. The key component here is, if you have been charged and arrested with heroin or any other controlled substance, the state is going to consider whether or not that you have a substance abuse issue. If this is your first offense, you potentially could go into a drug diversion program depending upon the quantity and the amount. Heroin and any other controlled substance is a serious social problem in Delaware, which makes it a criminal justice problem. If you have been arrested and charged with criminal possession of heroin or any other controlled substance, it is critical that you immediately begin to get treatment on the outside of any other state institution so that that can be used in your defense to minimize your consequences and keep you out of the criminal justice system, out of probation, out of court-ordered programs, which will further impact your life. In the defense of these cases, it's important to look at all of the facts, how you were apprehended, any statements that you may or may not have made to the law enforcement, the testing of the substances itself. Your attorney that you retain needs to be aware of those issues and how to aggressively defend your arrest in a court of law to minimize your consequences and get you out of the criminal justice system. If you have an issue with heroin or any other controlled substance, I can direct you to outside resources to assist you in combating that. Obviously, it's up to the person with the problem to resolve that. Right. The presumption that the state will have is that you do have a problem, and they will make you go to treatment, whether you do or that you don't. Even if you say that you don't, they're going to make you do that. If you're convicted and placed on probation, probation is going to make you do that. With your arrest for a controlled substance, your best option is to try to get this resolved yourself without the assistance/mandate of the court. If you have a problem or an issue, work on it now before the trial date. As your attorney, I will look at the arrest, the information in the police report, the analysis of the control of the substance, and advise you as to our best defense strategy. Depending on the facts of the case, that may be a pretrial resolution, it may be filing a motion to suppress, it may be taking the case all the way to a trial in front of a jury. Every case is fact determinative. I won't know those things until I actually see the facts of your particular case. My 27 years of experience allows me to locate the issues and find what is the most viable and optimistic defense for you given your particular facts. Once I review those documents, find those facts, we can sit down and devise a defense strategy custom for you and your circumstances. If you have been arrested and are currently facing prosecution for any controlled substance, please contact me, John Gary, in Dover, Delaware at 302-744-9290.
You can also visit our website at www.johnrgary.com for more information and to arrange your free consultation.